Ever wish you could free up your hands while still keeping your phone in view? The PopSocket multi-surface phone stand makes that easy. Whether you're on a stationary bike, cooking in the kitchen, or following a makeup tutorial in the bathroom, this versatile mount sticks securely to any smooth, vertical surface so you can stay hands-free and focused. I started using the PopSocket mount on my nightstand and instantly noticed the difference. No more fumbling around for my phone or Kindle when I wake up in the middle of the night. It keeps everything right where I need it, within easy reach but out of the way. Plus, I added another one in my salon to hold my phone while I work, so I can follow instructions or entertain myself without interrupting what I'm doing. Installation is straightforward. Just clean and dry the surface, press the mount firmly for 12 seconds, and wait 8 hours before attaching your phone. It's compatible with PopSocket pop grips and slides, so you get a secure hold and easy adjustability. The mount doubles as a phone stand for recording videos, a desk stand, or even a tripod, making it a versatile addition to your everyday tech setup. What really stands out is how reliable the mount feels. It holds tight without damaging surfaces or leaving residue, which means you can move it around as needed without worry. Users across the U.S. rave about its convenience and how it simplifies daily routines, especially when multitasking is a must. If you're tired of juggling your phone while trying to get things done, this phone stand is worth a look. It transforms any vertical surface into a hands-free station, letting you focus on what matters without distraction. Whether for work, workouts, or leisure, it's a simple upgrade that changes how you interact with your device. Try the PopSocket multi-surface phone stand when you're ready to make your phone more accessible and your life a little easier. It's a small investment that delivers consistent convenience every day.